Nike A1 Team Bank Black and White is a sleek, performance-driven basketball sneaker designed for athletes at every level. Clad in a clean, timeless black and white colorway, it easily complements most team uniforms. Durable synthetic materials and breathable mesh zones on the upper ensure long-lasting support and ventilation, while a padded collar and tongue enhance overall comfort. A full-length foam midsole offers responsive cushioning to absorb impact during fast-paced play, and the herringbone rubber outsole delivers top-tier court traction for sharp cuts and quick stops. Balancing style and function, the A1 is built for everything from daily practice to playoff moments. As part of A'ja Wilson's signature line, this Team Bank edition brings team-ready flair to the hardwood. Set for release in fall 2025, the Nike A1 Black and White will retail for $110 on Nike.com and at select retailers.